Then we have the 4.6. So if you look at this is 4.6, 4.6, the top and the top. Okay? So if you're looking at the triangle, if it's made of the red and the blue, that's 4.6 times 1.9. Okay? And you see that I have two of them, the top and the bottom. Okay? Which makes up the A1. So 4.6 times 1.9. Okay? And I have two of them. So area of 1, I have two of them, so it's 2 times A1, which is 2 times 4.6 times 1.9, because the area of a rectangle is length times width.
So we're just finding the surface area, right, miss? So for all of this is just surface area, right, miss? Oh no.
This is for the area, so this will give me the area of the top and the bottom, right? And that means when I find the area of all these sides, if I add them together, that gives me the surface area of the whole object. Okay? So that is going to be, just check on your calculator, make sure that this is correct. Are we okay with this? All right. Now, if I'm looking at A2, right? So A2 is made out of the 3.8 and of the blue one, which is the 1.9, right? So it's the 3.8 and the 1.9. I have two of them, right? So that's going to be 2 times A2, which is 2 times 3.8 times 1.9, and that's going to be 14.44.
So it's just whatever I have for that sick day, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Monday.
Okay. Send it as soon as you can.
Okay. And then A3, so I have the 3.8 and I have the 4.6, right? So you have the 3.8 and the 4.6. And again, I have two of them. I have two A3, so I have this one and this one. And in order for me to find my total surface area, it's just going to be adding 2A1 plus 2A2 plus 2A3, right? Which is going to give me you guys check this on the calculator, okay? Because I need to make sure that this is.
Do you think you're a sigma?
Hmm?
A sigma?
That's what I'm gonna say. What did you say?
66.88, yeah.
All right. Now, if you look at a rectangular prism, right? I have a rectangular prism here. Right? You guys know that the top and the bottom, they're the same. length and the width of 1, multiply it by 2, okay? And then you have the other two sides. So this is basically what we have here, okay? Now again, when it comes to like rectangular prism or something like this, we can use our formula sheets to find the surface area. So it's not going to be this complicated. But when it comes to composite figures, you're going to have to do it this way. Okay? All right. So here's a composite figure. Okay, so first of all, we're going to look at if I cut it vertically, okay? So basically, if you look at this, you're going to have to look at the area of each face, and then you're going to find the area of each face, and then you're going to add them all up. Okay? So we call this face A1, okay? That's what I called it. How many A1s do you think I have? 2. 2.
3.
Where's the third one? Well, I don't know if this one and this one are the same. It doesn't tell me that these two are the same. Okay? So let's see what these sides are equal to. If this is 45, right? So what would this side be? So if this is 45, if I want to find this one, how do I find that one? 78 minus 45. Okay? So if I do 78 minus 45, what do I get? 33. Right? So this side here is 33, same as this side. So this side, that side, they're 33. Okay? Now, what is the length of this side right here? 27. Okay? Because this is 27, that means this is 27, that means this is 27, 27, 27. Okay? So this here is 27. So do you think A1 is going to be the same as the side one? Are they the same? No, because this is 33 by 55, while the other one is 27 by 55. Okay? So they're not the same. Okay? So how many A1s do I have? 2 A1s. So I have 2 A1s. I'll do the calculation after. Okay? Now, they call this one A2. Okay? So this one is A2. How many A2s do I have? 2. Right? Again, I have the front and I have the back. Okay? So I have 2 A2. Okay? A3 is the bottom. How many A3s do I have? 1. Right? Because my top here is not the same. I have 2 different tops. Okay? So my bottom is 1 A3. Okay? A4 is this side here. How many A4s do I have? 1. Right? Because I only have one that's 55 by 27. Okay? So I have 1 A4. A5. 1. Because my bottom is already counted for as A3. Right? So I only have 1 A5. A6. 1. Because this side is already counted for as the whole side. How about A7? Yeah. How about A7? 1, right? Because my bottom is already counted for A3. Right? So I only have 1 A7. And how many A8 do you have? have two A1s, and I only have two A2s. Why is there not two A8? Where would the other one be? Here? But that's part of your one box. That's part of this. Will you be able to paint this side here? No. Okay? Because that's hidden. Right? So if I have this, right? That part here is hidden. It's not existent. Okay, so A1 is what? What's the formula? What's the length and the width? So remember, they're all rectangles, so it's all length times width. So for A1, what do I have? 55 times 33. And that would be 3,630. Check the math. For some reason, I have too many mistakes here. Okay, A2, what would be my A2? So 30 by 45, right? So I have 30 by 45. Is it 2,700? Yeah. Yeah? All right, and that's centimeters squared. And then for A3, what do I have for A3? So A3 is my bottom, which is 78 by 27, correct? And I only have one of them. And that is going to be 2106. A4, which is my side here, 55 by 27. And what do you get for this? 1485? Can you guys check that one? A5. So A5 is the top here. So 27 by 33. And that would be, is it 891? A6, okay. I know that this is the same as this, right? So this is 27, right? Now what would be this height here? 55 minus 30, because this part here is 30, right? And the whole thing is 55, so that's going to be 25, okay? So it's going to be 25 times 27. And that would be a 6, and that's 675. And then A7 is right here, so I have the 27 by 45. And that would be 1215. What? I am not. Hello?
Write to her.
Okay.
Just give us space. We're hungry here.
Okay, so let me call back.
Um,
Okay, are you in the front door? Are you at the front door?
thank you a while ago? Did you say thank you
For what?
for the food?
I did. Oh, he did? He said thank you in the morning. 30 by 27, that's 88. And that would be 810. And then you have to add them all together, right? All of your areas together to give you your total area. What do you guys get? I think it's 13,512, but I would